Question 1. If the equation above, what is the value of x? So we have 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x. So 6x minus 5 is 7 plus 2x. So 4x is 12. So x is 3. The graph above shows the distance traveled d in feet by a product on a conveyor belt m minutes after the product is placed on the belt. Which of the following equations correlates d and m? Okay, so you can see that this would be of the kind d is equal to some constant k times m because the y-intercept is 0 and the slope is 2, so d will be 2m. So A. The formula below is often used by project managers to compute E, the estimated time to complete a job, where O is the shortest completion time, P is the longest completion time, and M is the most likely completion time. Which of the following correctly gives P in terms of E, O, and M? So 6E is O plus 4M plus P. So P is 6E minus O minus 4M. 6E minus O minus 4M, option A. In the figure above, RT is equal to TU. What is the value of X? Okay, so if RT is equal to TU, then in this triangle, angle R and angle U will be equal. So angle R plus angle U plus 114 would be 180 degrees. So since angle R is equal to angle U, I can say 2 angle U is 180 minus 114. So that becomes 6, right? 66. So angle U becomes 33, right? Okay, now in this triangle, angle X is the exterior angle. So it will be the sum of 33 and 31. So that's 64. The width of a rectangular dance floor is W feet. The length of the floor is 6 feet longer than its width. Which of the following expresses the perimeter? So width is W and length is W plus 6, right? So the perimeter is 2 times length plus width. So 2 times W plus 6 plus W. So that's 2 times 2W plus 6. So that's 4W plus 12. Option B. Which of the following equations consists of the y coordinates of all the points that satisfy the system of inequalities above? Okay, so y greater than 2x minus 1 and 2x greater than 5. So if 2x greater than 5, then 2x minus 1 is greater than 4. And since y is greater than 2x minus 1, which is greater than 4, I can say that y is also greater than 4. So B. What is the solution set of the equation above? So I have root 2x plus 6 plus 4 is x plus 3. So I can say root 2x plus 6 is x minus 1 when I take 4 to the right hand side. And if I square both sides, I get 2x plus 6 is x squared minus 2x plus 1. So I get x squared minus 4x minus 5 is 0. So x minus 5 times x plus 1 is 0. So x is 5 and negative 1, right? So we get two values. But since we had a radical in the original equation, we'll have to verify both values. So let's verify with x equal to 5 first. So my left-hand side is root 16, which is 4, and my right-hand side is also 4. So x equal to 5 is a solution. And let's verify with x equal to negative 1. My left hand side is root of 4, which is 2, and my right hand side is negative 2, minus 1, minus 1. So x equal to negative 1 is not a solution. The only solution is 5. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to fx divided by gx for x greater than 3? Okay, so x cube minus 9x divided by x squared minus 2x minus 3. So x times x squared minus 9, and here I can write x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3. So x times x plus 3 times x minus 3. And here x minus 3 times x plus 1, right? So x minus 3 and x minus 3 cancels. So x into x plus 3 by x plus 1, option D. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above is a circle. Point P is on the circle and has coordinates 10, negative 5. If PQ is the diameter of the circle, what are the coordinates of point Q? Okay, so the center of the circle will be 6, negative 5. So this is center. And point P is 10, negative 5. And PQ is the diameter. So C will be the midpoint of PQ, right? So let's say Q is x, y. So x plus 10 by 2 would be 6. So x will be 2, right? And let me write here, y minus 5 by 2 is negative 5. So y is negative 5. So q is 2, negative 5. A group of 202 people went on an overnight camping trip, taking 60 tents with them. Some of the tents held 2 people each and the rest held 4 people each. Assuming all the tents were filled to capacity and every person got to sleep in a tent, exactly how many of the tents were 2-person tents? So let the 2-person tents be X and 4-person tents be Y. So there were a total of 60 tents. So X plus Y is 60. And number of people in X tents will be 2X and in Y tents will be 4Y, and that is 202. Now we need to find the value of X. So let's multiply this equation by 4. So I get 4x plus 4y is 240. And now if I subtract this equation from this one, I get 2x is 38. So x is 19. So there were 19 2-person tents. Which of the following could be an equation of the graph above? Okay, so the x-intercepts are -3, 0 and 2. So the factors are x plus 3, x and x minus 2. Now at -3, it crosses the axis. So this is a single root. At 0, it turns from the axis. So this is a repeated root. And at 2, it crosses the axis. So again, it's a single root. So x plus 3, x squared, and x minus 2. X plus 3, x squared, and x minus 2. So B. If 2a by b is 1 by 2, what is the value of b by a? So 2a by b is 1 by 2. So a by b is 1 by 4. So b by a would be 4. Oil and gas production in certain area dropped from 4 million barrels in 2000 to 1.9 billion barrels in 2013. Assuming that the oil and gas production decreased at a constant rate, which of the following functions best models the production T years after the year 2000? Okay, so in 2000, it was 4 million barrels. So if we use y is equal to mx plus c, then the y-intercept is 4. And to find the slope, I can say in 2000, it was 4 million barrels. And in 2013, it was 1.9. So that would be 1.9 minus 4 divided by 13. So that would be negative 10 minus 9, 1. And yeah, divided by 13. So that would be negative 21 by 130. So y is negative 21 by 130t plus 4. So that would be option C. How many solutions are there to the system of equations above? Okay, so we have y is x squared plus 3x minus 7 and y is 5x minus 8 from the second one. So x squared plus 3x minus 7 should be 5x minus 8. So x squared minus 2x plus 1 is 0. So x minus 1 whole square is 0. So x is equal to 1, right? So there is exactly one solution. The functions g and h are defined above. What is the value of h0? So h0 is 1 minus g0, which is 1 minus g0 is 2 times 0 minus 1. So 1 minus minus 1, so 2. If A is a solution of the equation above and A is positive, what is the value of A? So I can say x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is 0. So x plus 4 times x minus 3 is 0. So x is negative 4 or 3. So the positive solution would be 3. The sum of minus 2x squared plus x plus 31 and 3x squared plus 7x minus 8 can be written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. What is a plus b plus c? Okay, so the sum will be minus 2 plus 3, so that's x squared plus 8x plus 23, right? 31 minus 8. So a is 1, b is 8, and c is 23. So 23 plus 1, 24, and 8, 32. If xy satisfies the system of equations above, what is the value of y? Okay, so if we add the two equations, I get 4y is 6. So y is 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. A startup company opened with 8 employees. The company's growth plan assumes that 2 new employees will be hired each quarter for the first 5 years. If an equation is written in the form y is equal to axb to represent the number of employees employed by the company X quarters after the company opened, what is the value of B? So in y is equal to ax plus b, b is the y-intercept, right? Which is the value initially before the company started hiring. So it started with 8 employees, so b would be 8. In the circle above, point A is the center and the length of arc BC is 2/5 of the circumference of the circle. What is the value of x? So what is the length of arc BC going to be? Length of arc BC would be x by 360 times the circumference of the circle. So BC is 2/5 of the circumference of the circle. So 2 by 5 is x by 360. So this is 72. So x is 144. So the value of x is 144. Okay, let's rate this. One DAAC triple B, DAAC BBB, okay. 8 DAC BDC, DAC BDC, okay. 14, CD 332, CD 332, 18, 1.58, 144. 1.58, 144. Okay, great. So we got all correct.